Have you been carrying more than your heart can handle? Maybe nobody else sees it, but deep inside, you feel exhausted, worn down by stress, disappointment, fear, battles nobody knows about. But Psalm 23:3 gives us this beautiful promise. He restoreth my soul. God still restores weary people. He restores peace to anxious hearts, strength to tired minds, and hope to discouraged souls. The shepherd hasn't forgotten you. And the beautiful thing is this: the sheep does not restore itself. The shepherd does. You don't have to fix yourself before coming back to God. You simply come to Him honestly. Sometimes restoration comes through prayer, sometimes through repentance, sometimes through worship, and sometimes through being still in God's presence. And the verse says, He leads us in paths of righteousness. God doesn't only restore you, He redirects you. He lovingly leads you back to peace, back to truth, back to the right path. So if your soul feels weary today, don't run from God. Run to the shepherd, because He still restores souls.